What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Now this video is really exciting because remember I promised you guys I will build a budget X99 build for you guys under $700. Guess what, I did it and the system is right behind me. Now let's just talk about what I had to do to build this system basically. So basically what I did, I live in New York, so I have like 3 or 4 MICROCENTER around me. So I went to 3 MICROCENTER for you guys. I went to Flushing MICROCENTER, the one in Queens. I went to Brooklyn MICROCENTER, and also I went to Long Island MICROCENTER. So that day, I don't know if you guys remember, like 2 days ago I posted a video that I'm shopping around for an X99 build. So that day I picked up Asrock Extreme 4 motherboard open box for $109. Also I picked up RAMs 8 gigs DDR4 RAMs, and also I picked up a NZXT S3 40 case. Now you could go with any case you want, but I wanted something that looks good, so that's why I went with NZXT S3 40 case. I paid around $65 for it. And also that day I picked up a power supply. Guys, I went with the 430 watt power supply, and you're not gonna believe the system is running flawlessly even on the load and everything, and I'll show you guys. And also I had the Cooler Master Hyper T4 cooler just laying around, so I use that, but I added everything up and it only come up to $679, a 10 core X99 build. So the CPU I had to go with engineering sample from eBay. I just wanted to try out and see how those engineering sample CPU perform, and guess what guys, the CPU performed like a boss for $160. A 10 core E5 2650 V3 CPU. The base clock is around 2.2 and the boost clock is around 2.5, almost 2.6. But remember, engineering samples a CPU comes with a lower base clock and the turbo clock because they're basically made for just testing out. So yeah, so today I want to show you guys that you don't have to build a Skylake build or any Haswell build. You can go with the X99 build, like a budget build. All you have to do is just shop around. You could buy open box motherboard from Newegg, Amazon, eBay. Make sure that comes with warranty. You could buy open box power supply, refurbished power supply. Trust me guys, you don't have to buy brand new stuff. Hey guys, so here is the build. Now I just want to clear something up, okay? I know you guys are looking at the build right now and like you see blue port, then a white, then red. Guys, I didn't really care about the color theme because I try to build this system under $700 and I did it, okay? X99 under $700 and I'm really excited. So let's just go through the specs and the parts, and yeah. So first thing, as you can see, I went with a Asrock X99 Extreme 4 motherboard. It's a great motherboard for the budget, and I paid $109 open box. Normally the motherboard goes for regular price around $200. Just because the motherboard was open box, so the only thing I'm missing is the IO shields. I really don't care about the IO shield, so that really doesn't matter to me. Also I went with 8 gigs of GEIL EVO Potenza 2133 megahertz RAMs. As you can see, red, okay, comes with really cool RAM heatsink. As you can see, I really wanted those in black or any other color, but the only color they had red, and I only paid $35, so the price was perfect for my bill. And also, as you can see, the cooler, I had this cooler laying around, so a Cooler Master Hyper T4, and also the fan I'm using from the NZXT, so it kind of look cool. I really didn't like the Cooler Master fan, so I'm using one of the case fan, and I kind of ramped the speed up from the VIOS, so it's working flawlessly without any problem. And also, so the Cooler Master Hyper T4 cooler, I paid $29 for it. Okay, so the motherboard $109, the RAM's $35, and the The heatsink is $29. Now let's just jump in the graphic card. So as you can see, I have a XFX Radeon RX 480 8GB version. I picked it up from MICROCENTER for $199 with tax and everything included, $217. And as you can see, the SSD I have Intel DCS 3500 series SSD, 240GB. I picked up this SSD from eBay for $40. And also, as you guys see the case, I'm using an NZXT white, as you can see, all white case. I picked it up from MICROCENTER, $65. And the power supply I'm using, guys, CORSAIR 430 watt power supply, and this power supply is working flawlessly. So the power supply I paid $24. So the whole build, as you can see, $679. Now the CPU I'm running Xeon E5 2650 engineering sample from eBay, $160. I just wanted to try out a ES engineering sample CPU and see how those CPU really perform, and trust me guys, the CPU perform really well. So real quick, let's just jump into the Cinebench and show you guys how those system perform. And so basically, I just want to show you guys you can build yourself a X99 with budget, as long as you shop around smart and, you know, go with maybe used parts. You know, so something comes with warranty, just pick it up, you know. Clear something out. This video is basically, I'm just showing you guys, the benchmark video will be up, as you guys can see. Okay, 1281. Okay, so 1281 is faster than my stock i7-6800K, and also it's faster than my i7-5820K. So it's already faster than my $450 i7-6800K, and also it's also faster than my as you guys can see, both of my CPU boxes there. So can't go wrong. Let's run it again. So stock to stock, this CPU is faster than i7-6800K and i7-5820K, stock to stock, okay, not overclock. Overclock 5820K and overclock 6800K will kick this CPU ass. But basically, I just want to show you guys basic, you know, not overclock, okay? So as you can see, 1288. Okay, and also if we run open GEIL, let's see how the system perform. Like I said, today's video, basically I'm just showing you guys you know, the build and stuff. Monday or Tuesday I will have a full benchmark for you guys, you know, benchmark video, you know, so gaming benchmark and everything. So today I just wanted basically an update video. I just want to show you guys that, you know, I did it, came out really good, and that's it. Okay, so don't get mad at me because I didn't, you know, show you guys like gaming benchmark, everything. Gaming benchmark will be coming, you know, sometime next week, Monday or Tuesday, because I really have to prep the video, you know, the benchmark and everything. I have to make sure it's running properly. All right, so what's the score? So as you can see, open GEIL 110 FPS. That's really good, guys. So as you guys can see, for $679, if you're willing to shop around, take your time, buy some used parts, you can build yourself a gaming PC / a workstation. And trust me guys, this system is a beast. Okay, trust me. I used use different CPU. I use a i7 5960X. I use a E5 2683 V3 CPU. I even use a dual Xeon 2670 build. You guys seen the video in my channel, and trust me guys, I use most of the CPU, but this budget build right here, trust me, best bang for the money. You know, if you're willing to shop around, take a little risk. So stay tuned. I will have a benchmark video coming soon, maybe Monday or Tuesday. So, you know, stay tuned, and make sure you subscribe. You know, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you know, if you want to learn how to build a PC, gaming PC, you know, something in budget, you should definitely follow me. And also don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and stay tuned, you know. And if you have questions, leave in the comment below. Peace guys.